Today on How It's Made, we will be doing a special edition called How It's Distributed. We will be following one of your favorite consumer products, Tom's, and its distribution channels.
There are 6 different types of utilities. One is form utility. This means changing raw materials into useful products. Another type of utility is time utility. This means making products available when customers want them. Another type of utility is place utility, which adds value to products by placing them where people want them. Another form of utility is possession utility, which helps transfer ownership from one party to another, including providing credit. Another type of utility is information utility, which opens two-way flows of information between marketing participants. One last type of utility is service utility, which provides service during and after a sale and teaches customers how to best use products.
In order to distribute products, it is important to have the product made in a factory or some type of manufacturer. If consumers are displeased with their products, we utilize reverse logistics to bring goods back to the manufacturer because of defects or to recycle materials.
Tom's does their manufacturing in places such as China, Argentina, Kenya, and Ethiopia.
After the product leaves the manufacturer, it goes to the wholesalers, which is the next step in the supply chain. Now, some products will require a wholesale intermediary, especially in business-to-business transactions. Restaurants usually buy their goods from a wholesaler and buy in bulk in order to provide the consumer with their service.
As a merchant wholesaler, Tom's independently owns their firms. They rely on dropshippers to fulfill the orders of their retailers.
Merchant wholesalers are independently owned firms that take title to the goods they handle. 3 different types of wholesalers are rack jobbers, cash and carry wholesalers, and drop shippers. Rack jobbers go to the retailer and stock shelves of merchandise. Cash and carry wholesalers are for small retailers that could pay cash and walk away because they do not require a large order. And drop shippers is when the merchandise is shipped directly to the retailer. Logistics are the marketing activity that involves planning, implementing, and controlling the physical flow of materials, final goods, and related information from points of origin to points of consumption to meet customer requirements at a profit.
Once the shoes are shipped, they are delivered to different retail systems. There are 2 different types of retail intermediaries: store retailers and non-store retailers. Store retailers include department stores, discount stores, supermarkets, warehouse clubs, convenience stores, category killers, outlet stores, and specialty stores. The second type is non-store retailer. They use forms of electronic retailing, selling goods to customers over the internet, telemarketing, selling goods over the phone, and direct selling to customers in their homes. For example, Tom makes use of electronic retailing through sites like Nordstrom.com to reach more customers. For smaller products like candy and cigarettes, they use intensive distribution to put products into as many retail channels as possible. Luxurious goods make use of exclusive distribution, only sending their products out to one store in a given area. Most distribution systems require these 5 basic steps, but can relate in different ways. There are 4 systems of channel relationships. Corporate distribution systems. These exist when one firm owns all organizations in a channel of distribution. Contractual distribution systems. These exist when members are bound to cooperate through contractual agreements. Administered distribution systems. These exist when procedures manage all the marketing function at the retail level. And supply chain, which is when all the linked activities in various organizations must perform to move goods and services from the source of raw materials to ultimate customers.
A few of Tom's retailers are Nordstrom and Urban Outfitters. They use selective distribution by choosing the retail groups in different areas. The last stop in the channel of distribution is you, the consumers. Tom's distributes all over the world, and for every consumer that purchases a pair, another is donated to a child in need. See you next time on How It's Distributed.